Do you feel sluggish or not yourself? It might go deeper than a rough night or a stressful week. Toxins from pollutants and processed foods can drain your energy. You may face low energy, dull skin, or digestive issues despite a healthy lifestyle. Vital Fiber is your solution. Think of it as a broom for your insides, detoxifying and improving digestion. A fiber-rich diet can enhance skin clarity, hair shine, and support weight loss by promoting fullness. Not all fiber supplements are equal. Choose blends with natural ingredients like apple fiber and chicory root inulin for better digestion and gut health. A quality Vital Fiber supplement can help you feel light, energized, and refreshed each day. It's time to reconnect with your vitality.
Thank you for watching. For a more in-depth review of the product, click the link in the description below to visit the official website.